Vitamin E. It's one of the most powerful nutrients a person can take. Yet according to the USDA, 93% of Americans do not get enough of it. Research shows that the benefits are numerous. Vitamin E has been shown to protect against cardiovascular disease, certain cancers, neurological diseases, treat various skin disorders, and play a key role in the prevention of cell damage from free radicals. Found in foods such as nuts and grains, vegetables, fruits, and meats, vitamin E contains antioxidant properties that can have significant health benefits to the body. And even though vitamin E sounds like a single vitamin, many people don't realize that it's actually a family of 8 separate but related compounds made up of 2 major categories, tocopherols and tocotrienols.
The difference between these two are that the tocotrienol is a much smaller molecule, smaller head, smaller tail, and the tocopherol, bigger head, bigger tail, and then it's clear from the molecular size. And in so doing, the tocotrienol is able to traverse and move around the cell membrane a lot better to protect a much larger surface area. I've used this analogy before. A tocotrienol, if it catches the bad guys, is more like a state trooper. A tocopherol is like a local policeman. It doesn't move much, it stays in the same place. Both do the same job, one can do it faster. They're always having a prescript called alpha, beta, delta, and gamma tocopherols, and the same alpha, beta, delta, and gamma tocotrienol.
Studies have revealed that of the 8 forms of vitamin E, delta tocotrienol is the most powerful and active compound, followed by gamma tocotrienols.
And research was first conducted at University of Wisconsin and then later at University of Texas in the last 10 or 15 years at most. And in those studies, what they found was that not all vitamin E are created equal. Why are they not created equal? They found that delta tocotrienol specifically regulate cholesterol synthesis, the making of cholesterol, followed by gamma. That's the first thing. And when they combine any of these vitamin E, only delta and gamma when combined are synergistic. Then another point is that they found that alpha tocopherol, the most common form of vitamin E, does not work. And lastly, when they use alpha tocopherol with the tocotrienol, the alpha tocopherol actually interferes and messed up the function of tocotrienol. And then the second area in research is in cancer. And in the cancer area, the jury is still out, but to date we found that tocotrienol works in 4 particular cancers: breast, prostate, skin, and pancreas. And there are many proposals saying how tocotrienol works on cancer. Tocotrienol works to cut the vessel growth, essentially to starve the tumor to death. I thought that's a very interesting concept, and it's gaining a lot of scientific understanding. And 2, unlike all the other vitamin E forms, only delta and gamma tocotrienol recruit itself to the tumor, to the cancer site, and in order to kill the cancer.
Researchers have recently discovered that the highest concentration of delta and gamma tocotrienol is contained in the annatto fruit found in the Amazon rainforest.
The annatto is a rainforest plant, and they cohabitate with other rainforest creatures like the rainforest frog. But the interesting thing is, the British call this plant the lipstick plant. Reason being, it contains the intense red color carotene. The plant is also phototrophic, which means that it follows the sun from green to red color, and when the pods open, it does not have any flesh, which means that the intense red carotene, which is very unstable, must have something to protect it. And I asked the question, there must be some powerful antioxidant that protect it. It was there we discovered that that powerful antioxidant is in fact tocotrienol, and is free from tocopherol, and better yet, it contains almost entirely delta tocotrienol.
The annatto fruit is the only known tocotrienol source that is naturally free of tocopherol, which can interfere with the compound's health benefits.
This is extremely important when we're thinking of the cholesterol lowering effect, because it will completely inhibit the cholesterol lowering effect of tocotrienol if there's any tocopherol in it. And because of this, I consider tocotrienol as the supplement of choice when any doctor is wishing to prescribe a non-prescription medication.
Scientists are now using annatto plant-based materials to develop nutritional supplements to promote better health